So hey you all, today we're going to be trying out the Praush Play It Purple eyeliner. This is a lilac eyeliner, and lilac is becoming the most trending color in fashion and design, and it gives you such a beautiful, soft and feminine appeal, and it's such a popular choice for clothing, accessories, handbags, makeup, everything right now. So the lilac industries have taken the beauty world by a storm, so I'm going to be showing you how you can slightly tweak up your traditional eye makeup and offer it something a little fresh and exciting. So let's talk about the packaging. It's super luxurious and it contains 2.5 ml of product. It comes with a hexagonal packaging. I personally find this perfect for holding in your finger, and that way it gives you a really tight grip, and it retails for 550 rupees. I think it's at a great price point for the amount of quality as well as the quantity which you're actually getting with this product. The applicator in this eyeliner is super precise, it's extremely sharp, and you can see that the tip comes to a very fine point. The bristles do not stand outwards, rather it's super stiff, that way it stands and points downwards. The product also comes with a really good stopper, that way you do not get excess of product on your wand. Now I'm just going to show you how it gives you such a beautiful one swipe application, and you can just get a really smooth texture, and it has this small specks of glitter. It's not over the top, it's super natural looking, but yet it looks a tad bit glam. So I think it's that perfect balance, so you can wear it for work as well as for parties. So this product is waterproof as well as smudge proof, so it will not budge, it will stay on your eye all day long. It's super long lasting and long wearing. So we're going to start off with look number one. It glides on really well on the skin. You can see it's super intense, very pigmented. It gives you a one swipe application. The most amazing part about this is that it does not skip on the areas where you have a little bit of creases or wrinkles on your lid. I feel like it glides on so smoothly on the skin, giving you a very smooth finish. So now I'm just going to create a wing, and you can see that it dries super quick. I'm just going to slightly connect that towards the crease by creating a graphic liner, and it gives you a very sharp and precise tip. So this is look number one. Extremely simple, definitely wearable, and it's super doable too. So let's move on to look number two. You can see it has such a precise tip. This liner is definitely a game changer. I love the precision as well as the formulation of this. You've seen my video of the constant liner, the black shade, and you've seen me rave about this. It's just as good as that. It has such a good performance and it works so well on my skin. So the eyeliner is so precise that it's going to work on you really well even if you have less lid space, and you can create extremely thin and extremely smooth lines, and the formulation is not too runny and it's not too thick, giving you the perfect consistency to make it glide over your skin. So moving on, let's go ahead and accentuate the inner corner. I'm going to slightly create a line and connect that towards my lower lash line to give it that pulled out effect at the inner corner and to also lift your outer corner. So this is look number two for you. It's super easy, definitely doable and very wearable. It's completely the trend right now, and every celebrity is wearing graphic liners. I'm 100% sure this will work on every Indian skin tone. It's going to be the perfect shade to work across all skin tones and undertones. So let's move on to look number three, and we're going to create something a little more advanced right now. So I'm going to create a foxy eyeliner first. So once that's done, I'm going to create a line parallel to my wing and then create my crease liner and connect that towards the parallel line. So you can see how smoothly the liner glides on my skin, and you do not have to use anything to correct or clean your eyeliners. The liner tip is so precise and it gives you such a beautiful sharp edge. You can always thicken it, you can make it thinner. I love how versatile and how flexible the product is to create any kinds of looks. I would definitely recommend that you try this one out, and I'm 100% sure that you will love the formulation. The formulation is one of the best formulations I've tried out with eyeliners. So this is look number three for you, and I would highly recommend that you have to check this product out. This is a must-have in your vanity, and it's such a beautiful product. So this product is available on Praush.com as well as on Nykaa. You can buy it online easily, and they do have offline stores too. So I'm going to drop the product names as well as the links for you down in the description bar below to make it a lot more easier. So I love the constant liner in black, and I definitely love the purple one too. I just hope that the brand starts adding more colors and more shades into this entire range. It will definitely be perfect for us to use and to combine different tones to create graphic eyeliners. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know down in the comment section below on what do you think about it. Until next time, bye bye.